If you're tired of waking up to elbow nudges, then you need to hear these snoring fixes. Snoring affects up to 41.5% of adults, and it's not just annoying. It can signal serious health issues. What causes it? Airway narrowing, obstructed airways, and poor muscle tone. Plus, things like alcohol, smoking, and sleeping on your back don't help. So how do you stop it? First up, lifestyle changes. Lose weight, exercise, avoid alcohol before bed, and quit smoking. Try sleeping on your side with a specialized shirt or vibrating band. Next, medical devices. Nasal strips, mouthpieces, or the gold standard for sleep apnea, the CPAP machine. Don't forget the high-tech stuff like implantable tongue stimulators. If nothing works, see a doctor. Surgery or specialized treatments might be needed. Don't let snoring steal your sleep. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips.